Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Morning.
Going before we
Morning. Good morning, sir.
going to conducting the learning process, maybe Prayitno can lead us to pray together today, please.
Okay, so well, friends, before we start the lesson, let's pray so our lesson can run well. Praying start. Finish.
Okay. Have you checked your present list here in LMS? You can click in attendance and checklist your present there. Well, today we will be talking about narrative. Everyone know about the narrative text, or everyone have you learned before in junior high school in narrative text? Have you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Well, today we will know about the narrative text. This is the basic competence. Fungsi sosial membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasan berupa teks naratif, lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait legenda rakyat sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. And the second 4.H menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasan naratif teks, lisan dan tulis sederhana terkait legenda rakyat. Okay. This is the learning objective that you have to comprehend after participate at learning process. By the genre-based approach, students are expected to able to identify, understand, and explain about social function, text structure, and linguistic element of narrative text in spoken and written form related to the legend by birth the legend, and range possible then able to develop critical thinking skill, communication, and collaboration, and creating. Okay. This is the narrative text that we can discuss today is the legend. Today we discuss about narrative text, that legend. This is the kind of or type of narrative text, and volatile, myth, fable, fairy tale, and so on. But we discussing today is the legend, right? Okay. Have you heard about this story? Have you heard about it? Have you heard about
Yes,
this?
sir.
Hantuan, legenda Hantuan, you know? Of course. Of course you
Yes,
know, right?
sir.
Again, ghost, right?
Shit.
I never heard that
How about
story.
this? How about this? You have heard about these stories?
Yeah.
No.
Di Balau? Yang Balau?
Sir.
Right. Okay. What is narrative text? Narrative text is telling about imaginative story in the past. And generic structure, presentation, complication, and resolution. And the language feature, the adverb, adverbial phrase, conjunction, simple past tense, and saying and thinking verb, and so on. So today we will discussing about this. What is narrative text? What is general structure? And the language feature, of course. Okay. Let's watch the video to make you comprehend about the narrative text, right? But what I mean is, please. While watching, please focus on who is the main character, what's happened on the character, where is story took place, the problem in the story, how the problem solved, and the moral message of the story. After that, answer the question on LKPD 1. You can here, look, is this You can download LKPD 1 here if you can download here. Right.
Before we begin learning, let's pray.
Okay, finish. Or if you cannot access the video, you can click on the link in the LMS here. You can click this, right? Let's continue. So we have to discuss social function of the narrative text. Now, narrative text is the form of the text. So what is the difference from the recon text? Now, as you know, the narrative text and the recon text is as well as same, using a simple past, right? So this is the right. What is the difference about them? The difference about them is the written are usually not experienced by the other. So the difference from the narrative text and the recon text is the narrative text is not experienced by the other, but recon text usually experienced by the other. And the social function of the narrative text is to entertain or amuse someone. And the social function of the legend is to present the story of human action in such a way that they are perceived by the reader to be true. So that the social function of the legend and the social function of the narrative text. You see what I mean? Hello?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next, we discuss about the narrative text. Narrative text that I mentioned before, like any orientation, any complication, and resolution. So what is the orientation? Orientation is introducing the participant and informing the time and the place. Pada bagian ini kalian akan ditampilkan siapa yang memberikan cerita tersebut, atau dalam bahasa lain adalah karakternya siapa saja, itu dimuat dalam bentuk orientation. Well, nah, complication, describing the recent crisis which the participant have to do with. Nah, pada bagian ini itu menggambarkan apa saja kejadian yang terjadi atau konflik yang terjadi pada karakter. Nah, di sini dimulai terjadinya konflik antar karakter itu dimulai dalam complication. And the resolution, showing the way of participant to solve the crisis, it can be better, of course. Nah, pada bagian ini para tokoh pada karakter tersebut akan berupaya menyelesaikan masalahnya apa. Kadang dalam menghadapi masalah tersebut, para karakter itu menyelesaikan, apakah penyelesaiannya dalam bentuk yang happy ending ataupun bad. Nah, itu ditulis dalam bentuk resolution. Nah, okay, next. Look at this, the example of generic structure type on the legend of Malin Kundang. Orientation. Nah, here. In the orientation, dalam hal membuat orientation ini kita menggunakan what is it? 5 question. When you find who, where, how. Nah, ini adalah cara untuk mengidentifikasi atau membuat dalam bentuk orientation. Orientation itu memuat ada when, where, who, dan how. Nah, itu dibuatnya. Oke, sekarang how about complication? Complication tells the problem of the story and how the character solve them. Nah, crisis begin. Jadi dalam complications ini mulailah konflik itu terjadi. Like this, the example. Atau kalian bisa download di di LKPD atau di sana di sini. Kalau kalian tidak bisa melihat ini secara jelas, kalian bisa di LMS. Di LMS itu ada narrative text. Kita lihat. Ini kalian bisa klik di sini untuk melihat text about the Malin Kundang story. Okay. Next. Resolution. The problem in the story solved for better or worse. Nah, the result of the crisis. Jadi di dalam resolution ini seperti yang saya jelaskan, like I explained before, that in this resolution, the result of the problem. So in this section, on this resolution, the problem is usually solved. That is a happy ending or bad ending. Okay. So language feature. If narrative text is telling about something in the past, this text automatically use the simple past tense. All of these tenses that tell about the past, such past perfect or past continuous, and etc. And also this gender of this text use temporal conjunction, adverbial phrase, saying verb, and thinking verb. This is the example. Simple past tense like walk, ran, soon. This is the simple past tense, ran, soon. This is the verb past. Well, temporal conjunction like once upon a time, one day, a long time, etc. Adverbial phrase like in the river, at the mountain. Passive voice like was crossed, were trimmed, saying fret, and okay. Like the example of this language picture. This. Can you look at the color of this? Can you see the screen? Right. This slide
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. Yes.
Yes, it's very clear.
Conjunction like the what's it? The color, the yellow color. This is the temporal conjunction, and the red color is the simple past tense, and the blue color saying verb. You can look it, and then you can on this story of Legend Malin Kundang. This is the example that tenses is used in the narrative text Legend of the Malin Kundang, right? Okay. Any question about explanation about the text, about the narrative text? Do you have any question? No? Okay.
No, sir.
LKP looks the LKPD. You can read the another text in the LKPD too, and you can download on the LMS, and then you can answer them, right? So please you read this LKPD too. If you cannot read here, you can read on the LMS. You can download there and answer the question there. Have you read that? Okay. What does Dwi Saringana means? Let us to discussing about this together. Dewi Singere means the goddess of the sun, why the king Mading Wening decided to marry Dewi Mutiara, because although he had a beautiful daughter, he always expected to have a son. What did Dewi Mutiara to do when the king didn't agree to send king their way? Dewi Mutiara called a black Vijay to curse Kadita. She won Kadita beautiful body full of. How did the king finally send Devi Mutiara away? Because the king first said no one could cure the illness of his daughter. The king did not want her daughter to be a rumor. Where did the Kadita jump and swim? Shoot ocean? What is the lesson of the story? The ocean whether cure illness. The illness she become more beautiful than before. Okay. Next, to make you comprehension more about the narrative, please learn the material and answer the question on LKPD 3. You can download the LMS 2 and you can put your answer there like LKPD 1 and LKPD 2. Next, and then make a group, then discuss the text on LKPD 4 and 5 like this. LKPD 5 you can arrange this paragraph into the good paragraph. This you can download the LKPD 5 and the LKPD 5 on LMS, and then you put the answer there. And the last is reflection. At the end of this chapter, you ask yourself the following question to know how effective your learning process is. Okay, if you do not comprehend, you can read the reflection on the LKPD, and if you answer is no to one of these questions, ask to your teacher and discuss with him and how to understand and be able to tell or read about the story. Okay, I think that's all.